the intellectual property right and in association with startups. Welcome to Hustle Inspired, where we break down the startup grind into bit-sized, hustle-powered episodes. Today we are diving into something that could make or break your startup: intellectual property rights. If you are building something original, a brand, a product, an app, or even a catchy name, your biggest asset is not just your hustle, it's your intellectual property. But what even is intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to creations of mind. Think of it like your startup's invisible treasure. From your app source code to your logo, tagline, pitch deck, even your secret sauce. IP is what makes your startup unique. The goal: protect what you create because ideas are fragile until they are legally protected. Let's quickly break down the four keys type of intellectual properties that matters for startups. Trademark. These protects your brand identity, logo, name, slogan. Imagine if someone else launched a fast food chain called McDonald's with golden arches, not cool, right? Trademarks. Think of this as your startup signature in the market. It protects your brand name, logo, slogan, sound, or even smell. Anything that distinguishes your business from other. So if you have created a unique logo, name, or tagline for your startup, you need to trademark it. For example, the name Coca-Cola, that signature font, and even their red and white color palette, all of that is trademarked. Now, here's something a lot of founders don't know. There's also something called a design trademark, or more technically trade dress. This protects the visual appearance of a product or its packaging if that look itself becomes strongly associated with your brand. Take that Coca Cola bottle, for example. That famous contoured glass bottle shape is trademarked. Yes, the bottle shape itself, because it's no ionic. It immediately screams Coke without even seeing the label. Coca Cola bottle shape is equal to design trademark. In the same way, if your startup has a distinctive product design, app layout, or packaging style, you can apply for protection under design trademark or trade dress. So don't just protect your name, protect your entire brand identity. From your logo and fonts to your product shape and packaging, trademarks cover a lot more than you think. Patent. Caught a unique tech invention or process. Patents gives you exclusive right to use and monetize it. But fair warning, it's a technical and lengthy process, so consult a registered patent agent. Copyright. These protect original contents, whether it's video, your app, UI, UX, website content, or even your pitch deck. Automatic by creation, but registration gives legal weight. Trade secrets. These are your trade formulas, strategies, or algorithms. Stuffs you don't register but protect internally. Think Coca-Cola's recipe or Google's ranking algorithm. Now you might wonder, why bother so early? Because intellectual property adds real value to your startup, helps you stand out in the market, keeps competitor from stealing your work, and makes you more attractive to investors. Investor loves protected assets. A startup with a patent or a registered trademark shows credibility and long-term thinking. And here's the best part. If you are registered under Startup India, you get up to 80% rebate on patent fees and access to fast-track IP filing. Pro tip: use the IP India portal for trademarks and copyrights. Hire a registered agent for patents. Always maintain documentation of your creation. Remember the Oyo and Zostel controversy. As part of that legal battle was tied to rights and agreements. IP plays bigger role than you think, especially when things go south. Look, your IP is your startup brainchild. Don't leave it unguarded. Start early, start protected, be hustle inspired. That's all for this episode of Hustle Inspired. So hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay tuned. Till then, keep building, keep protecting.